Managing your credit card payments effectively starts with having the right due date. Chase understands that everyone's financial schedule is different, which is why they offer flexible options to change your credit card due date. There are several compelling reasons to change your due date. The most common is aligning your payment with your paycheck schedule. For example, if you get paid on the 15th of each month, having your credit card due on the 20th gives you time to receive and process your income. As of 2025, Chase offers excellent flexibility for due date changes. You can change your due date once per billing cycle, and these changes are typically processed within just 1 to 2 business days. This quick processing time means you can adjust your payment schedule without long delays. Chase provides 4 convenient methods to change your due date. The online banking platform and mobile app are the most popular options, used by 75% of customers. You can also call customer service, which is available 24/7, use the secure message center, or visit a branch in person. Here's what the Chase mobile experience looks like. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to manage your account settings, including payment due dates. Most customers find the mobile app to be the most convenient option for making these changes. When selecting a new due date, there are some important requirements to keep in mind. Your new due date must be at least 20 days after your statement closing date. You can typically choose any date between the 1st and 28th of the month, though some restrictions may apply for weekends and holidays. It's important to understand that due date changes typically take effect with your next billing cycle, not the current one. This means if you make a change today, it will apply to the statement that closes after your current statement period ends. Planning ahead ensures your new due date aligns perfectly with your financial schedule. To summarize, Chase makes it easy to change your credit card due date to better fit your financial schedule. With 4 convenient methods available and quick processing times, you can optimize your payment timing for better cash flow management. Remember to plan ahead since changes take effect with your next billing cycle. Understanding Chase credit card billing cycles is essential for managing your payments effectively. Chase billing cycles typically range from 28 to 31 days, creating a predictable pattern for your monthly statements. After your billing cycle closes, Chase generates your statement within 1 to 3 days. You then have a grace period of 21 to 25 days from the statement date to your due date, but this only applies when you don't carry a balance from the previous month. Changing your due date doesn't directly impact your credit score. However, strategic timing can help you avoid late payments, which is crucial since payment history accounts for 35% of your FICO score. Research shows that 68% of Chase customers change their due dates to align with their payday schedules. This strategic alignment helps ensure funds are available when payments are due, reducing the risk of missed payments. When changing your due date, follow these best practices for optimal results. Make changes early in your billing cycle for faster implementation. Keep records of all confirmations and remember to adjust any automatic payment dates accordingly. Finally, there are important restrictions to keep in mind. You cannot change your due date if your account is past due, and changes typically take effect with your next billing cycle, not the current one. Plan accordingly to ensure smooth transitions.